Please verify your age. Well, obviously I'm 99 years old. But sup guys, C.A.T.S Gamer here. And today we're going to be playing a game called C.A.T.S. And obviously, since it involves cats, I'm going to play it. Of course, that's going to be my nickname. Surprised nobody took it. No, I don't give two craps. Oh, that's little cat paws. That's cute. So this game is apparently really good. And I like really good games. Oh my gosh. Boom! Boom! Doing Rombo combos. Watching the World Championship? Well, in fact, I am, Mr. Kitty. Let's call him McCat. Dreaming to participate? Sure. Since it's your birthday, I have a present. Apparently, it's my birthday. Happy birthday, Cat Gamer. Are you so sad? Are you happy to see your Uncle Tony? You're my uncle? Sorry for being late all those years with this. That's what happens when you owe a lot of money to bad guys. Now let's open the container. Oh my gosh, it's a little car! Congratulations on your first fighting machine. Let's install the rocket launcher. Is this legal? What are you waiting for? Get in there. Oh, I'm so cute. Looking good. Now let's win some new parts for your machine. Okay, so I'm playing outside once again. So remember, don't control the machine. It fights automatically. Your job is to assemble the best machine out there. Tap to watch. Ow. I'm wrecked. Look at you see my face on my control. Your machine won. You've been rewarded with your first supply box. It contains new parts that will help you improve your machine. Take it! Okay. Okay, I already have $1,000. That's good. The supply boxes are sealed pretty well. It takes time to open them. Unlock. You can speed up, of course you can. Regular box. Classic. Knob. Sneaky. Titan. Collect prizes. Ooh. Pretty cool, right? It is. Keep winning quick fights to get more supply boxes. Don't forget to visit the garage and check out your new parts. Tap to edit. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's go with this one. Ooh, I'm looking fancy. Well, I mean, why not? Wait, could I also add a rocket launcher? No, I can't. A sticker! A shark, of course. Yeah! Okay. This car is looking pretty lit. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Oh! That's why you don't mess with, me. See, look at my face. I'm a jerk. More kitty paws. Tap to edit. I don't think I have anything to edit. Alright, let's do another fight. But, what the? Oh, who's gonna win? Oh, yeah, I'm obviously going to win. I think they're doing this on purpose because I'm just beginning, but got a 3-win streak. Was that English? Want to get on TV and fight in the finals? Yeah. I entered you at the first stage of the championship. Great job. Dang, I'm number 5. No, probably number 5. 23 stages in order to get to the finals. A minigun? Yeah, that's you. You're in the competition. There are several ways to win the championship. Let's try to win a series of fights. Okay. Masterio, get this work. Yeah, boy. Oh, no. No. Aww. No. Let's go. Shut up. Dang, that motorcycle. There's a motorcycle. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. We're just gonna ignore that name. I'm not even doing damage. Oh, dang. Ooh. Yeah, boy. Next stage. Okay. Congrats on winning the first championship stage. Look at me. Okay. Stage number 2. So I've got 4 powerful parts. Just one of the stickers below. Let's choose the planet. Legendary box. Wow. 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 Oh, dang. Powerful. Ooh, actually. Collect. Alright. Well, you guys, let me know if you want this to be a series. I actually enjoyed this game a lot. So, and it has cats in it, so, you know, enjoy that. If you want this to be a series, just let me know. And please like and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Peace.